Gochain is one of those unimaginably inventive tokens that have a strong specialized establishment and a good rundown of organizations, however, haven't figured out how to make a leap forward yet. As a more modest token, it doesn't have a proper positioning spot in the market cap-based evaluations, like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. It remains someplace in the 500-700 territory. Many coins and tokens with a comparative position have a market capitalization that isn't that unique in relation to their neighbors. That is the reason their spots in the positioning can change fiercely in one day or less. Regardless of that, Gochain can in any case be a beneficial venture for specific financial backers. As a more modest token, Go is a moderately dangerous decision, however it likewise has high benefit potential. In this article, we will endeavor to make a Gochain cost estimate for 2022 to 2030, yet kindly recollect that no one but you can conclude whether a resource will be ideal for your portfolio or not. Gochain, or Gochain, as it is additionally some of the time spelled, is one of the greenest and quickest digital forms of money on the planet. Furthermore, it is additionally viewed as among the most practical tokens. Its exchanges really depend on multiple times less expensive than those of the most well-known computerized monetary forms like Bitcoin or Ethereum. The typical exchange affirmation time for Go is 3 minutes 5 seconds. The Go symbolic powers the Gochain organization, which uses one of the most creative agreement calculations on the planet, in particular, confirmation of notoriety. This clever calculation utilizes a standing-based framework for keeping up with the well-being and security of the blockchain framework. As per its makers, one of the most serious dangers of shared networks is the capacity of hubs to travel every which way voluntarily. In this way, POR just permits the hubs with the most elevated standing qualities to join the agreement bunch that can pursue the choices relating to the condition of the blockchain. On February 23, 2022, the Gochain network presented marking. Half of all Go rewards currently go to the stakers. To purchase the Gochain digital money, first, you should get a crypto wallet that upholds it. A portion of the equipment and hot wallets that help it are MetaMask, Record, Trezor, Mu, and others. You can see the full rundown on the Gochain site. Gochain Specialized Investigation. The Gochain cryptographic money has a few things backing it up. However, there are likewise a couple of variables that appear to be highlighting Go having a fairly difficult time sooner rather than later. Most importantly, its true Reddit people group is everything except dead. In every one of the new posts, there are simply individuals asking for one Go to have the option to move their OMI tokens. Also, clients from the US are right now experiencing issues acquiring Go. Furthermore, an unmistakable venture that utilized the Gochain organization, the VEVE Commercial Center and its token OMI, has as of late moved to the Ethereum blockchain. Then again, Gochain stays an exceptionally viable and eco-accommodating blockchain stage. It likewise has its own NFT commercial center, Zeramin. Gochain's cost and the fate of the undertaking will generally rely on the number of organizations that its group will figure out how to lay out soon. There's an immense chance that the current unsteadiness might carry a ton of new financial backers to the market, and it will ultimately depend on Go's group to sort out ways of drawing in them to this venture. The undertaking's eco-neighborliness unquestionably is a colossal benefit, as should be visible from the outline. Gochain's cost follows the remainder of the digital currency market. Consequently, it is probably going to ascend close by other digital forms of money later on, as well. As of the finish of February 2022, most specialists are bullish on Gochain and anticipate that the Go cost should go up soon. Most Gochain cost forecasts right now are positive and anticipate basically a 40% development in 1 year. Gochain Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Gochain costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Gochain will be $0. The greatest level that the Go cost can reach is $0. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0. Go value conjecture for November 2022. In light of the value vacillations of Gochain toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Go pace of $0 November 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0 individually. December 2022, Gochain Value Estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to report their conjecture at the Go cost in December 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the greatest could reach $0 this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Gochain may be around $0. Gochain Value Expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Gochain in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Gochain will be around $0. The most extreme expected Go cost might be around $0. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0 2023. Gochain Value Forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Gochain, In 2024, Go is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about 1 cent and 1 cent, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 1 cent. Gochain Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have dissected the costs of Gochain and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base Go cost could drop to 1 cent, while its most extreme can reach 2 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 1 cent. Gochain Value Expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Gochain by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Go costs are normal in 2026, 2 cents and 2 cents. All things considered, it will be exchanged at 2 cents. Gochain Value Forecast 2027. Crypto specialists are continually examining the variances of Gochain. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical Go cost will be around 3 cents. It could drop to at least 3 cents, however it actually could reach 4 cents all through 2027. Gochain Value Forecast 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan conjectures at the cost of Gochain. It is assessed that Go will be exchanged somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 6 cents in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around 5 cents during the year. Gochain Value Expectation 2029. Digital money examiners are prepared to declare their assessments of the Gochain's cost. The year 2029 not entirely settled by the most extreme Go cost of 9 cents. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around 7 cents. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is 8 cents. Gochain Value Forecast 2030. Following quite a while of investigation of the Gochain cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their Go expense assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for something like 11 cents, with the conceivable greatest tops at 13 cents. Overall, you can anticipate that the Go cost should be around 11 cents in 2030. Gochain Value Expectation 2031. Digital money experts are prepared to declare their assessments of the Gochain's cost. The year 2031 not entirely settled by the most extreme Go cost of 20 cents. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around 16 cents. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is 17 cents. If Go endures everyday hardship and figures out how to remain above water in the midst of extraordinarily close rivalry and unavoidable unofficial laws, then, at that point, we will probably see its typical value proceeding to rise. Until further notice, our conditional Gochain cost expectation for 2030 will be a normal of 7 cents per token. Obviously, there will likewise be drops and cost spikes. On the off chance that you're wanting to put resources into this token, we suggest practicing alert and doing your best not to go with nonsensical choices because of market publicity and FOMO. Is Gochain a wise speculation? It is difficult to foresee regardless of whether Gochain will be a productive speculation. A ton relies upon when you get it or sell it, etc. Most digital currencies rise in the long run, and Gochain's cost can possibly go up from now on. We can't offer you venture guidance. You should do your own exploration to decide how great of a speculation Gochain will be. Recall that it is a lot of a high-risk, high-reward speculation, and we would advise against putting resources into it on the off chance that you as of now have numerous comparative resources in your portfolio.